We're gonna do a complete makeover on the fucking reels, bro. I gotta fix this up. That, and that. And, not really shit on them so far, but fucking, these are sturdy. The rollers are sturdy. We're gonna replace these. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna remove the old items from the trailer today for the squall. This was the rod that came with it. Perfect. Pretty strong. Put these. So I actually know I skipped a lot of steps, but this is where we are in the process. 2 skateboards, some little like medicine cups type thing. And we just attach it on there. And now we have the rods up. Not as good as you think it'd be, but I got my epoxy, a little surfer. We're finally good and done. I mean, this is a daunting process here. This shit took like, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 hours. Crazy work here. They look good, and I think they're ready to freaking go. So we want to go.
Next step, pressure wash somebody's house for money.
Next step, go to your freaking bait shop of choice. Let's go. Rods, like got a new combo, made a bunch of rigs. I hope y'all learned something from this.